We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's Shoeper Fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, okay, and gearing down on the summer shoes and 2020 trends from the coatoutlet.com website, the Cate Espadrille sneaker in chalk pink, now being offered on sale at 65% off. Yes, I said it, 65% off at $69 from the original pricing of $198. Wish I had paid given the current sale price. Don't you just hate that? You buy a shoe and then it goes on sale a short time later, leaving you at a deficit? Now, I spend some money on a shoe without a second thought, but I'm all about a bargain. Why spend more when not absolutely necessary? If the website had still had my size in stock, no shame in my game, I would have gladly exchanged it for the same size at the lower price and got my little coins back. You know, you can do that, right? Ain't shame, don't be shame in the discount game. It can be a pain sometime with the shipping, but we're talking $198 versus $69. You do the math. But sizes in the Cate Espadrille sneaker are extremely limited, as these babies are selling out fast. And my size 8.5 is actually no longer available. So hurry fast, as they're almost gone. Also offered in denim at 65% off, the Cate Espadrille sneaker comes from the Fab signature Coach brand in genuine man-made leather upper, with round toe, fabric lining, jute footbed, rubber outsole, and lace up closure. The uber smooth leather trim and espadrille bottom with chalk stitching around the upper rim of the leather, and Coach logo on the inner patch. Coach logo with the horse and carriage logo, is approximately 1.3 inches in platform, with the heel height slightly varying by shoe size. The upgraded chic makeover of a centuries-old shoe style rebirth with its smooth leather, and luxury finish, with the big bold Coach lettering on the side. Can either be dressed up or dressed down. It can't be slept on. You can't sleep on these babies. And while I do not find any espadrille. Let me repeat that. I do not find any espadrille a particularly comfortable shoe for walking all around town, as no one can convince me otherwise. These fare far better than most, as the Coach Cate Espadrille sneaker is truly well made and rather unique, as well as darling on the feet. Hey, if anybody knows of an espadrille that is 100% comfortable, I mean you can walk in those bad babies all day, let me know and I'll check them out and review them here. You can wear the Cate with a gray pair of tan skinny chino pants and cardigan, or button down with the Coach signature oversized square scarf for a more finished, formal, and dressy look. As not much is needed to make these espadrilles work. That's why espadrilles are really a hot classic style, because they really never ever go out of style. And while one might not consider them the most fashionable shoe, they're definitely a classic staple at barbecues, beaches, sporting events, not to mention classrooms and casual office environments. The Coach Cate Espadrille sneaker definitely aligns with the times with this trending 2020 platform style, sleek design, and buttery hue. Is it Shoeperfly? Yes, it is. It's a Shoeperfly buy when it comes to espadrilles.
And I can't fight this feeling. We're up all night, not coming down. Heartbeat pump to the rhythm, and ain't no stopping us now. And I can't fight this feeling. We're up all night.
Now, I've been a faithful supporter of this American multinational luxury fashion brand for about 15 years now, as it truly offers the best in gift ideas for close friends and families of all ages, including pets. And while I am not a fan of how quickly its merchandise will be offered at a discounted price quickly after purchase at original pricing, I can't be mad, as Coach is a beast at new product development, consistently presenting new and creative merchandise in footwear, apparel, business essentials, jewelry, fragrance, tech, you name it. And in case you're wondering the difference between Coach and the Coach outlet online, there is no difference in quality, but obviously selection is much more limited. Just know the outlet specific products have a bullet stamp next to the Coach logo on the inside of its merchandise, which is the way to detect its authenticity. Cause ooh-wee, they be bootlegging Coach to death. So much so that I recommend that you stray away from the more traditional Coach designs, as there's a lot of fake Coach merchandise out there, which truly cheapens the brand's luxury undeservingly. Maybe that'll change now with Coach enlisting some heavy hitters. Check out Coach's newest superstar brand ambassadors, J-Lo, that is, and Michael B. Jordan. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.